Alienware's mind-bending monitor. The curve's so sexy, even pixels blush. 34-inch QD-OLED awesomeness inside. Forget everything you thought you knew about monitors. Alienware just rewrote the rulebook with the AW3423DWF QD-OLED beast. This 34-inch curved stunner boasts Quantum Dot OLED wizardry, a 165Hz refresh rate, and an eye-melting 0.1 milliseconds response time. Translation? Blazing fast, butter-smooth gameplay that makes other screens look like budget motel TVs. With 99.3% DCI-P3 color coverage, factory-calibrated Delta E less than 2 accuracy, and VESA DisplayHDR True Black 400, your games, edits, and Netflix binges just leveled up to absurdly vivid. If you're still gaming on an LED, you're officially living in the prehistoric pixel age. Let's talk color. Not just wow, but whoa, is this real life kind of color? Thanks to Quantum Dot magic, this monitor annihilates the washed-out blues and bland greens of your average display. It converts light like a magician in a neon suit, pure reds, luscious greens, infinite contrast, and true blacks that make space itself look gray. Compared to white OLEDs, this QD-OLED screen punches harder, shines brighter, 1000 nits peak baby, and flexes on color range like it owns the rainbow. Whether you're gaming or editing your next cinematic masterpiece, your eyeballs will thank you. Comfort View Plus makes marathons easy on the eyes, no more choosing between blue light headaches and crispy visuals. This TUV certified low blue light tech keeps colors accurate while protecting your retinas like a screen time bodyguard. Plus, no screen burn-in nightmares. Alienware's anti-burn tech means you can leave your HUD on for hours without toasting your pixels. And with FreeSync Premium Pro and VESA Adaptive Sync, your gameplay? Tear-free, stutter-free, frustration-free. This isn't just smooth, this is silk pajamas on a freshly waxed hoverboard smooth. Design-wise, this monitor is serving alien couture. We're talking Legend 2.0 styling, customizable RGB Alien FX lighting, and an 1800R curve that wraps around your face like a warm hug from the future. It's built for creators too, with Creator Mode letting you switch between DCI-P3 and sRGB for pixel-perfect content. Adjustable everything, height, tilt, swivel, slick cable management, and a central joystick for easy control, because guess what? You deserve a setup that looks as smart as it works. Alienware thought of it all. Now you just have to show it off. The AW3423DWF isn't just a monitor, it's a lifestyle flex. It's for the serious gamer, the dedicated designer, and the tech-savvy genius who demands premium without the drama. With a 3-year premium OLED warranty, yes, even for burn-in, you're investing in gear that lasts and impresses. Compared to other ultra-whites in its class? This thing mops the floor with them, visually, ergonomically, and feature-wise. It's more than worth the price, it's robbery, for you. So go ahead, make your setup iconic. Just don't blame us when your friends can't stop staring.